Welcome to my painting Jacaranda Curve to the Bridge, a watercolor interpretation of a Brisbane morning during Jacaranda season. This artwork captures a curved urban street leading toward the iconic Story Bridge, framed by blooming purple jacaranda trees, traditional timber houses, and everyday city life. A cyclist moves through the scene, while cars and pedestrians bring rhythm and movement to the composition. The painting is about connection between nature and architecture, stillness and motion, and the fleeting beauty of seasonal light in an urban landscape. Step 1. Pencil sketching. I begin with a 5B pencil sketch, carefully mapping the composition. The focus is on perspective, establishing the curved street leading toward the Story Bridge in the distance. I draw the structure of traditional timber houses on the left, including roof lines, balconies, and architectural details. On the right side, I lightly indicate the jacaranda trees, allowing space for their flowing canopy. I also place the cyclist, cars, and walking figures to build scale and movement within the scene. Step 2. First wash. Now I apply the first watercolor wash to establish warmth and atmosphere. Soft, light tones are used to unify the composition and prepare the paper for layering. Warm yellows, soft blues, and muted earth tones help create the feeling of early morning light. This stage is not about detail, but about mood setting the foundation for depth and transparency in later layers. Step 3. Detailing. In this stage, I build the full character of the painting. I develop the jacaranda trees with rich purple tones, allowing blossoms to cascade over the street. The timber houses are refined with texture, shadow, and architectural depth. Cars, cyclists, and pedestrians are added to bring movement and narrative into the scene. Shadows are carefully placed to define form and direction of light, enhancing realism and atmosphere. Step 4. Highlighting and final connections. Finally, I bring everything together. Dark tones are used to strengthen contrast and unify depth across the composition. I refine edges, deepen shadows, and enhance focal points. White watercolor highlights are added to lift light on blossoms, rooftops, and reflections, creating balance and vibrancy. This final step connects all elements into a cohesive, atmospheric cityscape. Thank you for watching this painting process of Jacaranda Curve to the bridge. If you enjoyed this watercolor journey, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on notifications for more painting demonstrations inspired by Brisbane's landscapes and seasonal beauty. See you in the next artwork.